Excessive belly fat is one of the most annoying conditions that affect the overall appearance of any person. However, there are many myths regarding belly fat and its remedies that may confuse you at some point. If you are a beginner and thinking to burn belly fat with workout sessions, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we will discuss some highly effective workouts to burn belly fat. Remember, we have created this unique combination of different exercises such as cardio with our extensive research on this topic. However, you need to make sure that you are doing these workouts on a regular basis to expect the best results. Number 1. Bicycle crunches. When it comes to losing belly fat, there is no other better option available than this bicycle crunches workout. It's one of the most excellent ways to burn belly fat quickly at home without even joining the gym. First of all, you need to lie flat on the ground and keep both of your hands at the back of your head. Now, interlock both of your hands behind the head with your fingers. Get started with lifting your right leg first and also lift your shoulder blades. Now, lift your left leg and keep the right leg straight while rotating your upper body. You can perform this exercise in multiple sets with more than 7 repetitions in each set. For best results, keep doing it on a regular basis for at least 1 month to notice visible changes in your belly fat. Number 2. Russian twist. Russian twist is one of the most remarkable belly fat exercises that you should perform on a regular basis. First of all, you need to lie down straight on the floor while bending both of your knees gently. Now extend both of your arms together and clasp your palms together. Rotate the right part of your body, especially the belly area, for 3 seconds at least and then return to the previous straight position. Now, rotate the left part of your body and hold it for 3 seconds minimum before coming back to the original position. Repeat this exercise in 3 sets along with 10 repetitions in a single set. For excellent results, keep doing this exercise for at least 2 weeks and then you will notice remarkable changes in your belly fat. Number 3. Reverse crunches. The reverse crunch is thought to be the most hectic exercise for belly fat. When it comes to quick results, reverse crunches has no match because it delivers super quick results to consistent people. First of all, you have to lie flat on your back and keep both of your hands near your body. Make sure that both palms of your hands are touching the ground. Now, lift both of your legs together while bending your knees. You need to fully ensure that your hips are positioned on the floor with maximum comfort. Now, start pushing both of your legs at 90-degree angle or towards the ceiling. Hold your legs for a few seconds and then lower your legs. Repeat this exercise in multiple sets with maximum repetitions as per your capacity. However, you should avoid the overuse of your muscles as it can cause muscular injury. Number 4. Simple jogging. Jogging is one of the most useful cardio exercises for belly fat reduction. Jogging on a regular basis is as much effective as running at a high pace for reducing belly fat. There isn't any specific requirement to start your first jogging session. Find any perfect location for jogging in your area such as a park or any open ground. Start jogging at normal speed for up to 30 minutes daily. Within 3 months, you will notice a visible change in your belly fat levels. Number 5. Scizor Kicks. Last but not the least, it's a wonderful exercise for belly fat reduction at home. First of all, you have to lie down on a mat in a straight position. Place both of your palms under your hips together. Lift your head along with your upper back from the ground. Now, lower the positions of your left leg and then quickly lift the right leg before the left leg is about to touch the ground. Repeat this exercise on a daily basis in 3 sets with more than 10 repetitions in each set.
Anyways, let me know what you think about in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today.